Hey guys, this video is for small YouTube creators on YouTube. If you're looking to know how to add end screens, how to add all these cards that you see on the screen on you big YouTubers videos and even on my video, I want to do a tutorial. Like after these parts I'm doing now, the next part is going to be a tutorial how to add end screens, how to add cards, how to add even how to use the vidIQ app for your tutorials. I'll do it just now. I don't have to do for me, just like and subscribe. Hey guys, so this is a tutorial on how you can add end screen cards and everything, right? Let's start with end screens and cards. So tap your browser, any browser you're using, then look down below. You go to see where I wrote studio.youtube.com. It should open with something like this. Don't tap on the top part which says studio, YouTube Studio, which is open YouTube in app. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for studio, YouTube Studio on the web version. So continue to studio, what you want to click, which is below. When you click continue to studio, you click on continue to studio, it should load. Oh, what's happening? And then when it loads, you go to see your home page. Look at my home page. I have 398 subscribers and everything. So you have to scroll to this side, zoom into this part. Right, this is my recent video. Go and watch it out. Then you tap on the second one. After this first one, tap on the second one, which shows content. You should zoom out. So I'm going to look for end screens. I feel like I didn't add all my videos end screens. So I'm going to go to look for a video that I'll add end screens. Then you can zoom in if your phone is not like, you understand? This content you're seeing here is not available on my channel, so you can't watch it. So you can tap on this content. I wrote Twitter made me a millionaire and how much I made on Twitter. So let's add end screen to that particular one. I'm not sure whether I added end screen to it, but let me check. Then you zoom out. You understand? By your right, you go to look at your by your right from the top. You go to see open. You go to look below. You see your thumbnail and everything. Then you zoom. You go to see subtitle end screen. You can add subtitle if you wish to add subtitle. Then you zoom out again, right? Then you zoom in again so you can get I'm actually trying to get the whole details, right? Then you tap on elements. I didn't add end screen to this one. Then you tap on video. Then you scroll to this part. Do you want this video to be this part, or you want to be here or here, anywhere you want, right? Then don't allow them to add your motivation video, because me, I don't want my own to be motivation video. So I tap on choose a specific video. I always add a video that relates to that particular video, or most of the time I add video that I spoke about in the video, right? So that way it's very, very easy. So I look for a video that relates to that particular one, which is Twitter content. So I look for a Twitter content that I made in the past. Give me a few minutes. Okay, this is how I increase my pay on Twitter. Let me add it, because people that saw how much I made might also be interested in how to increase their own pay. You understand? So you save the particular one. Once you save it, you tap on end screens again. You want to add like 4 end screens. You tap on the plus sign up there. You tap on playlist. Me, I want to add playlist now. I have a playlist of where I wrote Twitter can pay you. I want to add the entire playlist to the video. So I want anyone that watches to the end can just tap on the playlist and go up, right? And watch more. This is a way of increasing your watch hour. Then I'll tap on this. Then I add my own maybe up here too, right? And you go to show, look at the duration element, go to show from 6 minutes and 10 seconds to 6 minutes and 30 seconds. So me, I always switch my own to like the end, so it doesn't obstruct the view of the video. So you save that particular one, right? If you want to add more end screens and end screens and end screens, you can add it. Then you click on card, which is below end screens. Tap on card. It also brings out everything. You zoom out. This card, you can add either video, playlist, or you can add a channel. I'll normally add a video that has a short title so it can be easy to watch, right? So I'll look for a video too that relates to Twitter, how to get verified on Twitter. So anyone that that wants to learn how to make money on Twitter can also learn how to make it verified, right? So I'll add this one. I'll move it to the front. This duration, I move it to the front, so anyone that watches can easily, you understand, get what it's about. Understand? Then click save. Cards are mostly added to a particular place, a particular second in the video where you see the particular thing, right? This is how you can add end screens and add cards. Then when you're done, it's already saved automatically. And then you can come here, you can add more things, edit more things. Like my description is here already and everything. So yeah, so do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let me teach you about vidIQ app. So go to your app store or any store you're using, Play Store, App Store. I feel like it's the same for everybody. It's not different. And search for the vidIQ app. vidIQ for YouTube automatically. When you see it, will pop up like this. It is a search engine optimization app. So right, so I already have the app on my phone. There's a payment plan. If you want to use the payment plan, you can use the payment plan. If you don't want to use it, you're cool to not use it, right? When you tap on vidIQ, it should load and everything. Normally on vidIQ, you give yourself a target or they'll set a target for you. I'm set to reach 7,000 views by April. So yeah, so you go to optimize, which is below here. Tap on optimize, then look for a video that you want to optimize, right? Like my last video is what is YouTube automation and how to get started. I'll tap on it. Then they will give me a title they think is better than my own title already. So you just wait for a few seconds and it loads and it thinks about the title that they feel like is better than the title you already have for your video. And so you can go and change it on your channel and things like that. If you if you pay for the premium package, you can tap here for thumbnail, tap for details, tap for, they'll give you tags you can add to your video, tap here for SEO and tell you whether people are really searching for that kind of videos and your checklist, and to know your title is 49/60, your description is 4,000, which is nice, your tags and everything are nice. So that's it. So your title has loaded. It tells you YouTube automation, how to get you without creating a single video. So if you want to do this one now, what I do is I highlight publish, change your video. So I just kind of publish, change your video. No, I didn't link my own to my YouTube, right? So I just kind of copy it from here directly and go to my YouTube studio and then paste it. But let us try to link it. Allow. I don't want to link it yet because that's a lot of details to show in this video. So this is what it's going to keep doing. Continue editing later. Okay, no, sorry. You discard change. Then you now go down, look for that video like this one. How much I made as a full-time content creator on social media entirely. It will create your SEO is 15. People are not really searching for that kind of content. So why did you create it? Understand? Then how much money YouTubers actually make. This one is wrong because the video is talking about how much I made in total, right? So that's it on vidIQ and every other thing I said, like search engine and shit like that. So guys, do well to like my video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on another video. I'm so excited in the tutorial entirely because it's big. And yeah, just do well to like and comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on a different video.